Okay, so right here is our two-factor authentication smart contract. So we can see we have three basic functions: to register the user, to generate an OTP, and then to authenticate the entered OTP. So the register user takes into parameters the username and the OTP seed, and then it verifies that, and then um, it verifies that the username hasn't been taken and the public key hasn't been registered, and then it goes ahead to register the user. So right here is the generation of the OTP. Generate the OTP by getting the timestamp and setting the user's OTP seed with the time-based value. Then after then generate we emit the generate OTP event, and then we return the OTP. To authenticate the user enters his OTP, we perform our check and ensure that 30 seconds hasn't passed. If 30 seconds has passed, it authenticates to false. If the OTP is correct and within the 30 seconds time frame, it's been authenticated to true. So let's go ahead and deploy this smart contract. So as you can see here, we have our truffle configuration, which we connect to our Ganache blockchain. So we'll go ahead and compile our smart contracts using the command truffle migrate. Okay, everything is up to date. I've already compiled it before, but then I'll go ahead and deploy a new smart contract. Yes, so now our smart contract has been successfully deployed. What is left is for us to interact with it using our API, our ExpressJS API. As you can see here, we have three routes created: the register user, the generate OTP, and then the authenticate. So let's go ahead and start our API. So our API is now running. I have a client, Thunder client I could use to interact with the API. So the first is to register the user. So I have the username here, Joshua. I have the OTP seed. So I'll go ahead and register this user. Already I'm logged in. I'm already logged in using a private key for this wallet. So we can see the user registration is successful. So let's go ahead and try to generate an OTP and see if the OTP is going to be emitted here. So this OTP is emitted. Let's copy it. Um, as you can see, OTP is true. So this means that our OTP we entered is true. And then if we are to wait for, let me say, 1 minute or thereabout and try it again, it should invalidate to false, which means that the OTP has expired. So that is it on this little project. Thank you.